Welcome to another detergent powder formulation class. Hello everyone, beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. Okay, in this formulation I'm going to drop the ingredients on the screen as usual. Okay, this is another formula for this class. Okay, the first video or the other video I used my builder at 64%, but this time around I'm using my filler at higher percent. Okay, so let's get started. I've added my sodium sulfate, my soda ash light. Please, soda ash light, not soda ash dense. There is another video where I used soda ash dense. That one is still coming. Okay, so make sure that you break every lump in any of your powdered ingredients. Okay, all the powdered ingredients you're going to use, make sure that there's no lump in it, so that when people buy your detergent, like some people, they like putting detergent in their hand before pouring it in water. So in that way they will not see any lump, especially those big lumps. For this formula I created it to use SLS powder, but this is me using sulfonic acid. Okay, because the other one I have changed, I used SLS powder. This one I said let me use sulfonic acid so that you will see how it turned out. All right, so I'm going to mix that very well. Make sure that you mix it very well. This sulfonic acid is going to change the color of this detergent a bit. It's not going to be that white, okay, but it's not going to be brown, it's not going to just be coffee, like off color, off white, right? So but in any way, this is formulation. You'll be able to know, okay, this is what I used that made it look like this. In my own, I'm not going to use this thing, I'm going to use the other one, understand? So I'm going to mix that very well. Make sure that every of the ingredients combines with each other. Remember, this is a detergent formulation using just 3 ingredients: your filler, your builder, and your surfactant. Okay, then the fragrance, which is an just an aesthetic. It doesn't give any value to the smell. All right, now this is the one I am selling. Can you see how this is? It is light, it is powdery, and it's very white. Okay, this is another formula. The one I'm selling is another formula. Okay, now this one I'm making now is off white. Can you see? It's off white. So this is the one I made the first video in this class. Can you see? It's very powdery and it's whitish. Okay, so when you're creating your own formula, you'll be able to know this particular ingredient. That is, looking at this video I have given, this particular ingredient make this to be like this, this one make this to be like this, so I'm going to use this instead of this, I'm going to use that instead of that. All right, so I mix that very well. Then you add your fragrance, then you package or you store, depending on what if you're producing it for sale, you package and sell. If you're using it for your home. Okay, now let us test the foaming ability of this also foams very well. There's no formula that I create that does not foam very well, because I have known, like the templates, the formulation templates I've given, use your surfactants at 10 to 20%, right, or thereabout. So you'll be able to know, if I use 10%, it's not going to, it will foam well, but when I use more of filler, is not going to foam well, but when I use more of builder, it's going to foam well, things like that. Okay, these are the some of the samples I have created, the formulas I've created. Okay, this is the first one, the second one, and another one. All right, so depending on what you want to formulate, what you want to give to your customers, that will determine how your detergent powder will come out. All right, so there is another video coming after this. Please stay tuned and watch that. Like I said in the other video, I'm going to post this here and also post it on YouTube, okay, in case if you don't want to download it to your device. Thanks everyone for watching. Surely see you in my next video. Always be safe and bye for now.